Happy Monday, you guys. Today's lunch is, again, very simple. It's just the Trader Joe's chicken nuggets, and I just like chopped it up small for the salad topping, and then since there's a bit of crunch, that's kind of serving as the crouton as well. And then avocado. I also topped it with some scallions, everything bagel seasoning, or everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, and black pepper. And then this dressing, I just drizzled it on top. I will put a link to the dressing that I used in the description, but it's really simple. And then it's not going to sit in a lunchbox and go to school for hours, so it's okay if I just drizzle the dressing right on top directly. And then this is some Asian pear. It looks kind of sad, but it needed to be eaten up. And then some made good granola. So that's the lunch. For today's lunch, we're going to be using these gluten-free chicken nuggets from Trader Joe's. You can obviously use whatever chicken nuggets you have. You don't have to use these. But I just happen to really like these. The crust is made of some sort of combination of cornstarch and tapioca, I believe. And then I'm also going to be using these sweet potato fries that are also gluten-free and vegan, and I find these at my local Costco. To be honest, I do wish they were a little bit more crispy, but you can try making them in your air fryer. But either way, I do really like them. And then I'm also going to use this ketchup from Trader Joe's. This is a truffle ketchup, and sorry, the jar does not look very appetizing, but I swear it is the best ketchup ever. Okay, so for today's lunch, we have some chicken nuggets, the gluten-free ones I showed earlier, and then some of the truffle ketchup, some mayo. I know that sounds kind of weird, but when you mix it together, it kind of tastes like the In-N-Out sauce, the ketchup and mayo together. And then this is just some steamed broccoli with a little bit of salt and dip with the sauce. And then this is some yellow watermelon. I know it looks like pineapple, but it's yellow watermelon. And then the sweet potato fries from earlier to also dip with the sauce. And yeah, there's nothing in here today because this is plenty of food, but this is the lunch. Very simple. Today we have another super simple lunch. It's just some berries, cantaloupe, and then a grilled cheese with gluten-free bread and vegan cheese. Alright, for today's lunch we do not have a bento. I just quickly put this into a bowl. We have some garlic shrimp with spinach and pasta. This is actually corn pasta, so it is gluten-free, and I just tossed everything with fried up garlic, chili flakes, and pepper, salt, garlic powder, things like that. I think some oregano too, and then I just toss that all together with extra virgin olive oil and some vegan butter. And that is today's simple gluten-free and dairy-free lunch. Happy Friday! Today we have some pizza. This is cauliflower crust. We have never tried this specific brand. We've tried cauliflower crust from Trader Joe's before or made our own, but this one looks really authentic, so we're gonna try this out. I'll let you know if we really like this cauliflower crust because it looks like it's made with gluten. So anyways, there's that. With vegan cheese, I used the same kinds that I used in the grilled cheese from a couple days ago. I put some grilled chicken, bacon, pesto, and I think that's it on the pizza. And oregano on top. And then this is just some steamed up broccoli with salt and pepper. And then this snack, which is just an apple and blueberry like fruit leather. And then this cute little fork for the broccoli. That is today's lunch for Friday.